Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Lime paint is a mineral, breathable finish made from hydrated lime and water. It differs from acrylic paint because it carbonates and bonds with masonry surfaces over time. For mixing, measure 1 part hydrated lime to 3 parts water and stir thoroughly. Strain the mixture through a fine cloth to remove grit and lumps before painting. Use only on clean, mineral substrates like plaster, stone, lime wash-prepared brick, and earthen surfaces for best adhesion. Start by removing loose material, dust, and efflorescence with a stiff brush. Lightly dampen the surface with clean water to improve initial adhesion and reduce rapid absorption. Do not apply lime paint over oil, vinyl, or cured acrylic paints without testing for bond. Fill holes and cracks with lime putty or compatible mortar and allow repairs to dry for 24 hours. Mask, trim, and protect glass, because lime paint can be hard to remove from. Apply lime paint with a natural bristle brush in long, consistent strokes to build texture. Work wet onto wet for a smooth, blended finish and avoid stopping mid-panel. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats and allow 24 hours drying between each coat in moderate conditions. Recoat only when the previous coat is dry to the touch and not tacky. Cure the finished surface for 7 days before light cleaning and 30 days before heavy use to complete carbonation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.